Meat processing of longanisa. Let's begin! Welcome! So today I'm going to show you how I make my own recipe for longanisa. And this is all the ingredients that I'm going to use to make this recipe. First off, we're going to dissolve the longanisa seasoning mix into the water. And just add a little bit of water into it. Then mix thoroughly until it all dissolves. And next, put it with the 1/2 kilogram of ground pork. Then we will add 1/2 cup of brown sugar and 1 tablespoon of rock salt. Then we will put the 7 cloves of crushed garlic. Then adding 1 tablespoon of paprika. Next is 1 tablespoon of black pepper and also 1 tablespoon of vinegar. So after putting it all up together, we will mix it thoroughly. After mixing it, we will put it in a foil to form its shape. Just put the amount you wanted and simply cover it up side by side. And finally fold it. Now I'm just sculpting it to the shape that I wanted it to be. Yeah, that's right about it. And one more time. Just like that. And that's it. And now it's time to put it in the refrigerator. And let's just leave it there for overnight. Finally, it's done. Now I'll put the list of the ingredients. It's here. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for part 2 for the finished product. If you like more of this kind of video, click the like button and hit the notification bell and subscribe for more. Bye! See you soon!